just got tagged in the reel.
Hey, that's all right there. Wow, this was crazy. What?
This came out, like I literally just got a notification about this. About this post, they just posted this. Made it to the dealership. You alright there? I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I'm good. My man. Big boy. Alright, we're gonna walk in and see what kind of bikes they got on the floor. Nice looking bikes right there. Yeah.
That's pretty bad, though.
Hey guys, how you doing today?
Doing well, how are you?
Not too bad, not too bad. Anything I can help you with?
I just came in to look around, seeing what you guys had out here.
I just want to welcome you guys into Savannah Harley-Davidson.
Appreciate it.
How you doing, sir?
All right, man.
If you got any questions, let me know. Okay.
All right.
Police bikes are bad to the bone.
Yeah.
They got and we got some that are like less than 6,000 miles on them.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. These are with Savannah PDs.
Okay.
This year they got silver one. That was silver.
Okay.
So we had about 5 or 6 of these. Now we're down to about 3.
Okay. Yeah.
Good running bikes, I tell you.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys for coming in today.
No problem.
My name is Vinny.
Vinny?
If there's anything I can do for you, let me know.
All right.
Got any questions? I'll be inside too. So.
All right. Pleasure meeting you, Vinny. Thank you.
Yes, sir. And thank you guys for stopping in today.
No problem.
All right.
See, that's what's supposed to happen at a dealership. They're supposed to come out and greet you and everything.
Yeah. That's cute right there.
I remember you were trying to buy a sports.
I sure was finna buy one. I'm glad I did. I'm glad you talked me out of that. I'd have been mad.
Oh wow.
That's good. That's good. Yeah. Would you ride that?
Yeah, I got it.
Ride the hell out of it.
I mean, that's a nice looking bike though.
Huh?
I mean, that's a tough looking bike. Get the CVOSTs right there.
That's rope, ain't it?
No, it's also. Up there. That's pretty.
It's Road King, man. You know what a Road King look like.
That's what I just said. Road King. You doing this software.
How are y'all doing today?
Doing well. How about you?
Good.
That's my man Benny, Dad. I want to introduce you.
Hey, what's up?
All right.
We got a lot of nice bikes in here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Dad. Let's take on some new bikes.
Yeah.
We had to find new places to stay, to live then. His wife would kick him out, my wife would kick me out.
Right now, we're going to keep the one I got.
All right. You all right, Dad? I'm gonna jump on one of these cups of coffee right quick. I just got tagged in the reel.
Hey, that's all right there.
Oh, that's you all by yourself.
Yeah. Let me see it. I'm gonna let you see it. Send it to me.
Wow. This is crazy.
What?
This came out, like I literally just got a notification about this. About this post, they just posted this.
I thought it had already been out before.
No, yes, this is the video of just you by yourself.
Make sure I get it. Tell me how to look at it.
Today is a pretty big day here in my hometown of Savannah, Georgia. Also here at Savannah Harley-Davidson. The local news station, WTOC here, is about to do like a little story about me and my dad and our experience with Harley-Davidson. So, long story short, my dad and I had our first experience with Harley-Davidson and the dealership formerly known as Clary's Harley-Davidson that ended up becoming Savannah Harley-Davidson. And yeah, so we're gonna talk with these folks. I don't know what's about to happen, but hey man, I'm just blessed and grateful of the opportunity. Hey, how you doing? Nice to meet you as well.
Yes, I'm excited. This is a fun story for
Awesome.
sure.
And what's crazy just now is that like as we were sitting down, literally I got a notification on Instagram and like Harley-Davidson just shared like a reel on their social media with him riding across the Savannah Bridge and everything. Yeah.
Well, it's just me today. I think we might go in this grass area because then we'll get the back shot of the building and some bikes behind you. Or where are your bikes actually?
Those are bikes right there.
Okay, maybe we'll go because it would be cool to have your bikes.
Sure.
That bike used to be black, and that one used to be green, I think it was.
Well, this one is amazing. Like the details on that is amazing. Yeah, I would have never known if you didn't tell me. That's pretty cool.
That was crazy. Never would I have imagined that my dad and I would be on the local news here at Savannah Harley-Davidson on WTOC about our passion for all things Harley-Davidson and about motorcycling and about my dad and I together. So that was crazy. Look, all I gotta say is, if you guys like stuff like this, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe here to Build, Ride, Repeat. And me and this guy right here, we'll see y'all hopefully on the next one. You all right, Dad?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Good.
You feel good?
Yeah.
How that little interview go? What you think about it?
I think it was great. It's great exposure for both of us. I think
Exposure? I mean, I don't know.
We don't need no exposure, but you know, it was great exposure for you and me. You know,
Right.
as a family, as a father and son.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Appreciate it.
I appreciate you, Dad. Even though you be acting funny sometimes, because he does act funny.
Yeah.
Well, look, if you folks like stuff like this, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe here to Build, Ride, Repeat. Me and Big Larry here, we'll see y'all on the next one.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. The last time my dad was here in Washington, D.C., he and I met a gentleman in the Royal Farms gas station right before I dropped him off at the airport. We got to talking about motorcycles. My dad told him his story about his stroke and his recovery. We showed him the Harley-Davidson Boiled Peanuts video. And in the middle of the gas station, this gentleman came to tears because he missed his dad. We would have never thought this would have happened all those years ago when we walked into Clary's Harley-Davidson on MLK. I am extremely grateful of the opportunity that Harley-Davidson extended to me and my dad. Dad, I love you, and I hope to get to ride with you more.